The ANC recognizes and accepts that it is in the nature of young people to be impatient with change, and we are looking forward to a vibrant, militant, radical, disciplined, and autonomous ANC Youth League guided politically by the African National Congress. The top 6 officials that were all elected without being contested are President Colin Malachi, Deputy President Phumzile Mgcina, Secretary General Comrade Mtuo Xolo Ngudle, First Deputy Secretary General Comrade Tsakani Shiviti, Second Deputy Secretary General Comrade Olga Siate, Treasurer General Comrade Zwelo Masilela. The ANC Youth League National Congress successfully elected additional members to conclude